Want to get fit in the new year? Don't know where to start? They say it takes 21 days to create a new habit. Whether it's to start moving more, start moving again, or even just moving into a better mindset. Join us on our 21-day challenge. Work on creating new habits, stay consistent, get in the best shape of your life, and feel amazing. All workouts are beginner-friendly for all levels and can be done from anywhere with minimal equipment. Make this year your most fit yet.
What is up? Welcome to day 12. We are doing HIT, and if you don't know what that is high intensity interval training. Now listen, I know it could sound scary, especially if you're new to fitness, but I promise you, Soha's here. She's gonna do everything modified, so if you are a beginner, just watch Soha. If you want a little more, watch me. I love HIT workouts because it's really about maximal fat burn. You are getting your heart rate up as high as it can go, and then you are bringing it down. So the heart rate is varied from high to low, which makes you burn fat. Everyone loves that. So you don't need any equipment, you just need your body, definitely a towel because you're gonna sweat, a mat, and that is it. Day 12, baby! Let's get warmed up. Here we go. In 3, 2, and 1. Jumping jacks. If you need to modify, Soha's version is a tap. Let's go. Getting that blood pumping, getting that body moving. You got 3, 2, and 1. Let's stay right here. Bring your arms up. You're gonna crunch your knees to your elbows, firing up that core. So crunch, standing here. And if your knee doesn't go as high, that's okay. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's warm up those legs. You're gonna squat. So you don't have to go super deep just yet. Listen to your body. Whatever feels good, whatever feels right. We're gonna add a little pulse in 3, 2, and pulse. Back up, squeeze that booty. Woo. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's add a little core to this, and then we are done this warm up. Bring your hands behind your head. You're gonna squat and twist. So opposite knee, opposite elbow. If your body can't handle like the little balancing, that's okay. Soha's gonna show you the opposite of that. You're just gonna go down, up, and then twist, okay? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Woo! You got 4. Come on. 3, 2, and time. All right, warm-up's done. Let's get started. So how this workout works is 20 seconds on, 10 seconds off, times 4 per move, and then we move on. The goal for the 20 seconds is to really get your heart rate up. You wanna burn, burn, burn. Then you get your 10 seconds to breathe, and we do it again, okay? Always watching Soha for the modification, watching me if you wanna take it a little further. The first move, you already know this, jumping jack, okay? Modified and full. 20 seconds on, 10 seconds off. Let's go, baby, in 3, 2, and 1. Stop. Okay, 10 seconds, catch your breath. Here comes round 2. In 3, 2, and 1, go. Three, 2, time, recover. All right, halfway there. How you doing? Good. I'm getting pumped up. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. I'm feeling my heart rate pumping up. What I love about these HIIT workouts is you get that endorphins running. 3, 2, time. All right, last round. One more time, and we don't have to do jumping jacks ever again today. 3, 2, and go. See if you can speed it up. If you're doing it my style. Woo! What a beautiful day to sweat. Three, 2, recover. All right, 30-second recovery. Good job. So, next move, butt kicks. Option 1, you're just gonna go like this. Whee! So you're bringing your heels towards your butts. Option 2, I'm jumping. Okay? Ready? In 3, 2, 1, go. Woo! It's kind of like a run on the spot. Go, 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 go. 3, 2, and time. Good job. Whee! I gotta fix my mat, and that's okay. It happens. All right. 3, 2, 1, go. So you're really gonna feel this in the front of the thighs, your quads. Really good for your ankle mobility. Come on, 3, 2, time. Okay, halfway there. Let's do this. 3, 2, 1, go. Don't forget to breathe. Anytime you're doing any kind of cardio, you gotta breathe to get you through it, because if you hold your breath, you make it that much harder for yourself. 3, 2, time. Okay, last round. And we're done with this move. Let's go. In 3, 2, and 1, go. Woo! You can see that my heart rate's up because I'm a little more out of breath, and that's what you want, right? For 20 seconds, you want to work. 3, 2, and time. Good job. All right, good job. Let's lay down on the mat and let's do our next move with a little bit of abs. So Soha, she is modifying. She is doing slow bicycles. If that doesn't work, you could also do cross body crunch. I'm doing the full fast variation. All right, you ready? Here we go. 3, 2, and 1. Let's go. Three, 2, and 1. Beautiful work. Hug your knees into your chest. Take a second, let your abs recover. We go in 3, 2, round 2. Round 2. Try to get that elbow to touch that knee. Come on, come on, come on. 3, 2, and time. Woo! Oh, feeling it now. We got 2 more rounds. You ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Hustle, hustle, hustle. Get those abs. Make sure your heart rate's still pumping. Three, 2, and 1. Oh yeah, I'm feeling it. Last round. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. I'm gonna make this my fastest round. And if you don't wanna do that, that's okay. Go at your own pace. 3, 2, and time. Ooh, those abs are fired up. All right, let's turn around and do a little more abs. Second final move. Flip over. Option 1, modified. You are just on your knees and holding a plank. Option 2, you are doing what I'm doing. That is a plank jack. Times 4. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Let's have some fun. Woo. Make sure your butt is down. Make sure your core is engaged. Make sure the shoulders are in line with the wrists. Two and time. Put your knees down. Take a breather. We go. In 3, 2, 1, go. Keep breathing, baby. Keep breathing. You're strong. You're amazing. 3, 2, and time. All right, halfway there. Oh, that breeze is so nice. You don't even know. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1, come on. Woo! Three, 2, 1. Oh, baby, my abs. How you doing over there? Just killing it. Last round. Let me stand up. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Three, 2, and time. Wow. I'm fired up. Push your hips back into child's. And we got our finisher move. This one will be the hardest move today, but this is the last one. We gotta finish strong. Stand up on those feet. Option 1, if you are modifying today, you're doing a squat pulse nice and fast. If you are joining me, we got squat jacks, all right? Let's do this. In 3, last round, take it home. 2 and 1. 20 seconds. Two and time. Woo! My legs. My abs are fired up, my arms are fired up, and now it's my legs. All right. 2, 1, round 2. Three, 2, time. Oh, my legs are burning. All right, halfway done. Let's go. How you doing back there? Working those buns. Buns, huns. 3, keep going. 3, 2, 1. Longest 20 seconds. Jeez. Oh, all right. Last one. Let's do it. Finish strong. 3, 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1. Oh yeah, high five, girl. On fire. We did it. Thank you so much for joining us. I know that hit be a little harder, but it's so effective. Listen, don't forget to stretch. You can check out some of our other stretch classes linked below. Make sure to comment below, let us know what you thought. Like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.